Welcome to week 2 of Legal Research and Writing. Today we're going to continue with legal research, working on Constitution, statutes, and administrative laws, looking at how the court rules and case law impact the way we are governed. Looking at legal research, this is a huge field, and this is something that in law school you'll spend an entire semester on. So this is to give you the basic foundation for it. I do want to start by telling you that for the quizzes, you really need to make sure you're going to course material, clicking on Barnes & Noble First Day Portal, and then opening the textbook for the class. Using this textbook as a tool, reading it, working through it is going to be an absolute necessity to scoring how you want to on these quizzes. All of the information on the quizzes did come from the textbook, so I just want to encourage you guys to be going in here and reading it. For this week, let's go to the content folder. The overview is going to talk about all the things that we're talking about this week. And this is a lot for 1 week, but it is something that is manageable if you do it in small chunks throughout the week. Do just a little bit of reading and thinking every day throughout the course. My videos are very helpful, but looking at the textbook will be how you start to understand it. Because your brain is slowing down, if you're reading and taking notes, then you're using your eyes and your hand to be taking that information in and processing it more thoroughly. So watching the videos is good. Listening to the videos while you're doing other things will give you another layer of information about this, but it's the actual process of the reading and the writing that's going to help you learn this material. The quiz is going to be the same format this week. The textbook material is all ready to roll here, so just make sure that you're going down through here. You're using your table of contents to get where you need to be, going through all of these chapters, and then take the quiz. There is not a discussion for this week. I'm clicking on it to show you all you have is the introduction. Because of the number of students in this class and how much material it is, I've decided just to focus on those quizzes for the first 4 weeks. When we get into the legal writing component, I wanted to show you all this so that you can know that there is a break coming, that there is a change coming. In week 4, we still talk a little bit about research, and you have a midterm exam that is going to put all of the legal research behind us, so that when you go to week 5, you're going to start writing, and it's going to be legal writing. It's going to be focused on how you're going to find your facts, how you're going to go through what your clients give you, but it's going to be a much easier second half of the course than it is first course. Just want to give you all that encouragement that the first 4 weeks are tough, and then it does end up, the semester ends easier, and grades typically significantly rise in the second half. So I wanted to give you all that. You did get bonus points this week for submitting your welcome post, the introduction. So everyone that submitted that last week got extra points added. So that should help kind of give you a little bit of a cushion as you're going through the next couple of weeks of working on the quizzes. But again, this week you're looking at Constitution, statutes, and admin law. If you're not really sure what that is, you might want to start just listening to the supplemental things, the administrative law and the anatomy of a statute. This, I think, is one of the most important lessons that we've got in here, because so much of our law is based on statutory law, and the way he breaks this down, teaching you how to research those, how to find the key elements, is phenomenal. He does a wonderful job of that. And then this one on court opinion and reasons for the way they are analyzed is really helpful too. So if you have any questions this week, don't hesitate to email me. Have a great week.